The fourth pillar is fasting, it is Som. And we mentioned all the objectives of fasting. All these objectives get a person closer to Islam. The fifth pillar is Hajj, a pilgrimage. Anyone who has the means and the health and the wealth to perform Hajj should do it once in his lifetime. And Hajj is the best example of annual universal brotherhood, where more than 4 million people from all over the world, from different parts of the world, from Saudi Arabia, from India, from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, from UK, from USA, from Singapore, from Malaysia, from Indonesia, they gather, and the men, they're dressed up in 2 pieces of white cloth unsewn. And they only come and say, Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik. Here we come at the service of the Lord. So this shows the universal brotherhood. It shows the equality of all the human beings, all dressed up in 2 pieces of white unsewn cloth. This demonstration of brotherhood impresses a non-Muslim. This was just in brief about some of the salient features. We can give a talk for several hours in reply to this question, the important points that attract a non-Muslim toward Islam.